इंडियन टी20 लीग का मैच नंबर 15 आमने सामने बैंगलोर और राजस्थान अबू धाबी में। दुनिया के दो बैटिंग सुपरस्टार्स कोहली और स्टीव स्मिथ भी आमने सामने होंगे, लेकिन ये दोनों एक टीम में हो सकते हैं। हाँ, आपकी फैंटेसी टीम में एक साथ हो सकते हैं, लेकिन क्या वो आपको करना चाहिए, किसे चुने किसे ना चुने, इस डिसीजन को करने के लिए हमारे साथ माई 11 सर्कल फैंटेसी पिक ऑन ESPN क्रिक इन्फो पर दीपदास गुप्ता। आगे बढ़े उससे पहले एक प्रो टिप को नोट कर लो। हैव इनफ बॉलिंग ऑप्शंस एज इट इज गोइंग टू बी प्लेड ऑन अ यूज्ड पिच। आल्सो एक्सपेक्ट बैट्समैन हु आर गुड एट मैन्यूवरिंग द बॉल टू सक्सीड इन दिस गेम। दीप, आप सहमत?
बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ। And also keeping in mind this is an afternoon game. This is a first afternoon game, so we still haven't figured out कि afternoon game में pitches कैसे react करती हैं. लेकिन एक चीज तो तय है कि थोड़ी सी धीमे होगी जरूर pitch because it's an afternoon game.
Right, quick update on player availability as well. Chris Morris, who was suffering from a side strain, was seen practicing with the team in the nets, so he is also fit and available. A quick reminder of the rules before we get going. Please note that every user on My 11 Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket keepers and bowlers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed, and users can choose 4 substitutes as well. Steve Smith is going to be our captain on what is going to be a used pitch. This man could be an ideal batsman to combat the conditions. The Rajasthan skipper did get out cheaply the other night against Kolkata while trying to attack Pat Cummins, but we reckon it was a one-off. Remember, he's also opening the innings, which gives him the chance to face as many balls as possible. Yuzvendra Chahal is going to be our vice-captain, Bangalore's best bowler by far this season. He's definitely a vice-captain candidate. A bigger ground, a used pitch, and Rajasthan's recent struggles against spin are enough reasons to believe that this man could win you a lot of points. Also, his record against Rajasthan since 2018 is terrific as well. So Steve Smith, the captain, Yuzvendra Chahal, the vice-captain. Among our other top picks are Aaron Finch, now with a 31 ball 50 in the last game. He looked to have found his rhythm, barring Jofra Archer. The Rajasthan attack is fairly low on pace, and that should suit Finch very well. Also, in all T20s since 2017, Finch has not been troubled too much by Archer and has been dismissed by him only twice. EB de Villiers, no surprise, he's there as part of our top picks. Expect him to be extremely effective on what could be a slowish pitch. His ability to maneuver the ball in gaps could be crucial as well, although he has been dismissed by leg spinners on 13 occasions since 2017 in all T20s. His strike rate is a good 140, suggesting that he'll do very well against Rajasthan's leggies. Jofra Archer is the last pick on our top picks. He's consistently clocked 140 plus in what was his best game the last time. Archer will look to go hard against a very strong batting lineup on paper. We expect him to come good again. So Steve Smith, Yuzvendra Chahal, Aaron Finch, EB de Villiers and Jofra Archer in our top picks. Deep, convinced with these top picks?
Yeah, I mean, listen, I'm obviously they're quality players: Yuzi, Smith, Finch, Jofra, and good form as well. Also, for a captain, vice captain, I would suggest also look at kind of all-rounders. For example, AB de Villiers, who's keeping wickets as well. My only concern with someone like Smith is whether he will he still open or not. There have been chats of making him bat in the middle order with someone like Jaiswal or someone opening the innings. So yeah, I mean, keep that in mind, and also can look at someone like AB de Villiers for your captaincy and vice captaincy options, because obviously he's going to keep wickets as well, along with someone like Sanju Samson.
Right, we've got a couple of differential picks as well who could mean great return on investment. Tom Curran, who has picked up a wicket in all 3 games for Rajasthan. His variations with the ball will come in handy at the death. And don't forget, he can bat very well as well. Shreyas Gopal is also part of our lineup as a differential pick. He can be picked just based on his record against Bangalore. He's picked up 12 wickets in just 4 innings at a terrific economy and a superb strike rate as well. Given the pitches are getting slightly slower and the grounds are bigger than the ones in India, he could put up a good show yet again. So Tom Curran and Shreyas Gopal are our differential picks. Now let's take a look at what our recommended 11 looks like. Joss Butler, AB de Villiers, the 2 wicket keepers, Kohli, Steve Smith and Aaron Finch, the 3 batsmen. We've got 3 all-rounders in our lineup: Washington Sundar, Tom Curran, Shreyas Gopal, and we're going with Jofra Archer, Yuzvendra Chahal and Navdeep Saini as our bowlers. The four substitutes have Devdutt Padikkal, Rahul Tewatia, Shivam Dube, and Isuru Udana. Deep Padikkal not in the recommended 11. No Isuru Udana either. Sanju Samson not even in the substitutes.
I'm a little surprised there. I'd rather pick someone like Sanju Samson. The fact that obviously he's in great nick. So Sanju Samson for me, someone like Rahul Tewatia, because if we are saying it's an afternoon game, used pitch, also the fact that he'll bat in the middle order, 4, 5, somewhere there. Gives a good opportunity for people. I think it's a great option to pick for fantasy. I'm a little surprised, and especially Sanju. I mean, the kind of form that he's in, and obviously he's not cheap, but then he's worth having.
Right. The ESPN Cricket Info think tank has thought about a lot of these thoughts and permutations and combinations, and we've presented an alternative scenario. Sanju Samson is definitely an option to look at. Now, since 2018, if you look at his numbers in this league, he strikes at 160 plus with an average of close to 40 in the first innings, as opposed to a strike rate of about 142 and an average of 32 in the second innings. And so, if Rajasthan bat first, when the pitch is at its best, Samson can replace either Tom Curran or Shreyas Gopal in your fantasy 11. So mull over it, look at our recommended 11, think of what Deep Dasgupta said, think nice and hard, and go get your teams ready. Thanks, Deep. For now, that's it on my 11 Circle fantasy pick on ESPN Cricket.